Hi guys, it's Big Bella here. I'm super excited. I am overwhelmed. Thank you all so much. So I'll be going through some of your comments here. I'll be answering some of your comments here. So Chichi says, leave Sheggz for her so she can be happy. Reference to Doyin. Then my reply is, she's not even his type. She's not even rich. Obviously, his type is foolish babes that can't think. Oh my God. Guys, I didn't even mean it that way. Like, I said that. Wow. Okay, let's skip that. Next comment. Bella is eavesdropping to hear whether she will be able to pick on Chichi. She missed a foolish, small-minded girl. Now she can't contribute on their meaningful conversation because she can't relate. I don't even remember this conversation at all. I really cannot relate. But I'm not small-minded. Stop it, I'm Big Bella. Okay, so in the next comment, Bella is two-faced, a liar. Yoruba call her type, Sheggz, Sajo, I don't even know. Swear, disgusting attitude. Sheggz is giving an instigator vibe. Chomzy recruited them. Now they are working hard to recruit more haters. As for Chichi, I have no words. Hermes, I thought you are wise. I don't even understand what's going on here. Like, I'm actually lost and confused. Like, what's all this? Guys, please stop. Oh, I'm not a liar, I'm not two-faced. Stop it, Joe. Bella, I'm giving you 30 minutes to change that attitude. I hope I change that attitude. The next comment, Bella and Sheggz feast each other. Sheggz. If we are being honest, they are both self-absorbed, rude, prideful, condescending, and lack self-introspection. The English is even too much. I hope they get married and show themselves pepper. Wow. Why would you think we'd get married and show ourselves pepper? You guys, oh my God, please. I can't even relate. I'm not rude. Maybe I can be sometimes, but I'm not prideful, not at all. Well, I enjoyed reading your comments and replying. I hope you enjoyed this and you changed some narratives about me. I'm not like that at all. I'm actually a very sweet girl.